This is Google Cloud Basics. Next up, Google Compute Engine.
To be able to set up Compute Engine networking properly, we need to understand a few things. VPCs or virtual private clouds, GCP regions, GCP zones, network subnets within regions, which zone our compute instance is running in, and how to attach one or more network interface cards, NICs, When creating the instance in the console, we first need to expand the Advanced Options section, then expand the Networking section, then select the Network Interface or NIC that we wish to configure. From here we then select the network which corresponds to our desired region. Then we select the name of the subnetwork which corresponds to the desired network subnet or network segment. For the internal IP, we can select an ephemeral IP address. Ephemeral is just another word for temporary. Or alternatively, we could request a static IP address, which is not temporary and should not change over time. We can optionally repeat this process if we also require an external IP address, in addition to the internal IP address we just set up in the previous step.
You've been watching Google Cloud Basics.